In the Philippines, there is a wealth of life in the tropic regions, ranging from big to small, and some other unique animals, such as in this case, this little guy, the Philippine Flying Lemur. Known as Kagwang locally, this animal is actually part of the Colugo family, which unlike its name, is not actually a lemur. Despite their name also containing a flying aspect, these animals are quite incapable of flight. These animals get around by leaping from the tops of trees and assisted with a slight glide, provided by their membranous patagium. Being endemic to the southern Philippines, they live in heavily forested areas, most usually found in the high treetops and in some mountainous and lowland forests. Their lives are primarily spent high in the rainforest canopy, leaping from place to place or in some middle levels of the forest. These animals are not known to be good climbers, as they often lurch up trees using their limbs spread apart to grasp onto the tree. This gives them a very clumsy climbing appearance, but they are known for their leaping among the trees. These animals usually avoid the forest floor, being in their small and vulnerable state, but may on instance be found on the forest floor searching for food or perhaps having fallen. Their diets consist of many leaves, soft fruits, insects, flowers, and other fauna, with their water intake being from licking leaves and eating water-rich berries. The Colugos have noticeably large eyes, with other physical characteristics being its clawed limbs and incredibly strong grip strength. Its large eyes allow nocturnal habits to be performed, as this animal relies on the night for its undisturbed movements and berry scavenging. With a glide distance recorded up to 100 meters, the Colugos have to escape from its primary predator, the Philippine eagle, as well as tree snakes and human beings as well. With a weight of up to almost 4 pounds and a length of up to 25 inches, the small animal displays sexual dimorphism, with females larger than males, with the reproduction being one offspring at a time per a 2-month gestation period, with the mating season occurring January to March. The young are born helpless and for 6 months, dangling on the underside of its mother, being left alone after such a time to fend for itself, with sexual maturity being reached after 2 to 3 years. Although it's odd, researchers have yet to discover the true lifespan of these animals in the wild. Colugos usually live in seclusion, but on occasion may be seen in groups within certain trees. The Colugos are very territorial animals which maintain distance from one another, despite the unique pseudosocial behavior that each will follow another's gliding path in search of food. The greatest threat to the continued existence of the Philippine flying lemur is the continual deforestation of the regions that flying lemurs inhabit, with the hunting of the lemurs being done often as they are considered pests. This raises concerns over the sustainability of the Colugos ecosystem, as the destruction of their habitat and their increasing vulnerability leaves less opportunity for the species to thrive.